Well, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is my legit wing Wombat, and I just got done laminating it. I'm painting the elevons at the moment, and also the canopy, which is going to be black on the canopy and white on the elevons. I thought I would just show you guys what I had going on here before I got the final Sharpie design that I'm going to be doing on it. I'll be doing a time lapse of that design, and I will put a little picture up here on the side here that'll show what my inspiration for the Sharpie design is going to be. I just got done laminating it. It was actually not that hard at all, even doing these complex shapes. And I also just filmed a tutorial on how to do lamination on really complex rounded shapes like this. So it's going to be a pretty interesting video, so you guys can check that out. It will be long because I'm doing it's a tutorial, you know. But these wings are super stiff. Just I'm pressing on it there, you can barely see it flexing. Now, a couple of things. I should have laminated these wings in the wing beds instead of on, because basically I glued this and this together before lamination. I should. This is a prototype vehicle, so I should have thought that through a little bit more. But I just went real gentle. I didn't warp the wings or anything like that. Now, this tail section, I actually glued this, and this together on the flat table, so I'd make sure that was perfectly true. And then when I glued them into the wings, I made sure that it was level with the top of the wings here. So that really made it really accurate. And on this core plast or core flute, whatever you want to call it, I ended up countersinking that into the foam. I'm going to do the same thing, I think, with these vertical stabs, which are going to go on the side right about like that. So I probably will be insetting those or even cutting this through. I'm not sure. This is the motor I'm going to go with. This is the one from my original legit wing. This is the replacement for the one that I burned up, but this is let me see here, 221712, 1515 kV. This is probably a better motor. This is probably not the best motor for this. I would say something closer to like 2000 kV would probably be more ideal, but I didn't have it in the budget to go get another motor. So hopefully it'll be fast enough. I do have a lot of room here. I can run up to like an 8-inch prop on here. Some of the other iterations of this, you could only run 7-inch prop. But I have a 40 amp ESC from Hobby King here. Now I made this battery bay here probably a little bit too big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out my battery placement and my CG, and I'm probably going to use the wing beds that it came with to actually glue some more foam back into this, which will actually make it stronger in the nose, which would be kind of cool. So yeah, it's probably going to work out just fine. So have the wire motors peeking down over here, so this is going to go around to here to the motor, and my plug for the battery is right there. I am going to be using my Lemon RX, which has a stabilizer in it. It's going to look just like this. I'll have the little satellite receiver sticking out of it as well. Now, I love the way that this thing flies anything flies with the Lemon RX, because it's not really disruptive to your flight at all. It just takes out outside influences like torque roll from a motor, and also outside influences like wind. So it doesn't control your airplane, it doesn't self-level it or anything like that. So anyway, hopefully you guys like this build. It's gonna be finished here pretty darn soon. I'm really excited about it, and so we'll be doing a line of sight maiden first, and then I'll be adding in the FPV gear afterwards. So anyway, cheers guys, thanks for joining my video, and I'll talk to you later.